Think back to just after New Year's when Bitcoin was crossing $20,000. That went through your mind. What went through your mind? If you're like most people, you were thinking, crap, I just missed another great opportunity. And you were wishing you could go back in time and take advantage of it, right? Well, your wish has now just been granted, my friend. Now you can. And mark my words that this will not happen again in the market of our lifetime. Right now, we all know exactly this market is capable of. If you missed a big one, then the only person to blame will be the one in the mirror, and you'll be right back in at New Year's saying again, crap, I just missed another great opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jeremy Nelson, and we're about to get started on some Bitcoin news and updates, as well as the Ledger Nano S problem that people are having, and how you can make sure that you are safe with all your money. Alright guys, first thing on the list today is this Steemit post that was posted 2 days ago from Nick the Greek One. Thank you for sharing this. So let me read it to you guys. The title is The End of Crypto Coins, or Just the Beginning. Let me explain this. Crypto crash to everybody infected with STDs, short-term thinking disorder. If you think the cryptocurrency market is going to die off and become extinct, allow me to pause for a second and thank God he didn't give me your brain. Are cryptocurrencies finished? How far will the market drop? When will it come back? All the questions everybody wants to know. Basically what this guy is saying here is that, we got to get a real good glimpse on where this market is going. And the reason we fell down from the $20,000 per Bitcoin mark to relatively about, I think it's 9,000 or 8,300 right now. Where's my phone at? 8,124 is where we're currently at right now. So the reason why we went from 20,000 to 6,000 to now 8,000 was because we didn't have that slow and steady support that he was talking about in here. We had a lot of support and nice steady flow, and then all of a sudden we got a bunch of media attention and Bitcoin was kind of going viral, so to speak, and everybody kind of jumped on it. And the price needed to fall back down to restabilize itself and regrow at a steady, slow pace. What he's also saying is, for a lot of people, they saw that and they said, damn, I missed a really good opportunity. And even myself, I got in early, but even myself was thinking like, geez, man, I wish I just put in more money, So, this gives a lot of people a great opportunity to rebuy in, get some more Bitcoins, get some more altcoins, whatever it is. This is a great opportunity to show people, one, where we're going, and two, how they can profit and capitalize on what is happening and what's going on. He closes off the post just by saying he's not a financial advisor. The views and everything else are completely just his thoughts and opinions. That's what the lawyers want us to say. I'm going to say the same exact thing. There you go. Next thing I want to show you guys is this video here that Elizio Rastani posted. And I've been looking at this chart on my MetaTrader 5 app on my phone for a while now, and I have moving day averages on here. So I've got a 15-day, I've got a 30-day, I've got a 50-day, a 100-day, and a 200-day. We hadn't actually hit the 200-day moving average, which is this green line here. We haven't hit that 200-day moving average since September 2nd of 2016. We almost hit it. We almost hit it about a year ago, January 12th of 2017. We didn't actually get to touch it. We just passed the 100-day moving average before we shot back up there. But to make a long story short, we just hit this 200-day moving average, which is really, really good. This is what a lot of big traders and a lot of big graph people look at, stuff like this, along with things like the Fibonacci thing, the Elliott wave, a bunch of other stuff. That's get really complicated, but this is a really good sign. So you might be saying, well, is it a good time to buy? We don't really know yet, and let me tell you this. It's because crypto, sorry that I'm rubbing my eye bugs me. Nobody knows what's going to happen to crypto, right? It can go up, it can go down. We have a good idea, I guess you could say, on what could happen based off of graphs and whatnot. So right now, a lot of people might be saying, well, hey, this might be a good opportunity to start buying. And you might be right, because you know, as low as we are, I think it's a good opportunity anyways to start buying. But this right here is not very promising for me, at least right now, because that is really good. We bounced off the 200, but we can hit the 200 again. We can hit it 3 more times maybe. Maybe we can go up and just shoot to the rocket. But and that's not really realistic in my eyes. You know, personally for me, I would like to see us go sideways at a steady, slow pace for a little bit. But, you know, this is starting to look like some good news. But what I would say is we kind of had this same good news right here where we had 3 candlesticks in a row on the upwards trend position. But then look what happened is we went down from about 10,000 to 6,000 at that point. So, you know, you never really know. My guess and my thing I would tell you is to just, you know, keep an eye on it, because I think it's gonna, you know, personally, I think it's gonna float from the $6,000 to $8,000 range for another week or 2 weeks. Maybe it could be a month. Nobody really knows. That's what my thought is. If we hit another $500 billion in the next week within all of cryptos, the crypto market, I think then that would be safe to say we're out of the woods. But I would be careful. I would look. I would get in deep. I would do some more research. Because it's better to buy on the way up than it is to buy where you think it's going to go up and then it comes down 20, 30%. Maybe it's only 10%. But that 10% is still 10% you could have capitalized on. And nobody knows when the bottom is. There's a couple people who are going to get the exact bottom, sure. But it's very, very difficult. It's hard. Nobody actually knows. So the best guess and the best thing you can do with your money is try to get it when it's going up. That's the best idea. The next update and information I would give you, which this is actually about a couple days old, this is probably about 2 days old, and actually probably the next couple things I'm going to tell you is about 2 days old. Railblocks, the coin Railblocks, is now called Nano, if you didn't know. They changed it. Also, you cannot buy cryptos anymore with credit cards, which I think is a very good thing. First of all, you should only put money into the cryptocurrency market that you are willing and can lose if you had to lose it. And if you're using a credit card to buy cryptos, that's not money you can lose. So I think this is a good idea. I think that's great. And the last and not least is the Ledger Nano S has been hit lately. Because I guess some people have been losing some money due to sending their funds to the wrong address. Because of hackers being allowed to change your address whenever you copy and paste it. Okay, so when you get your device set up and you type in your Bitcoin address that you're going to send the money to, or whether you're doing it and you're sending it to your Ledger Nano S, it's all going to be the same. What I'm trying to tell you is once you copy the address and paste it on here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to at least look at it to verify that it's the same address that you're copying, because there are some platforms that when you paste it, it changes the address to the address who is hacking, and it becomes their address. And if you send anything to that address, you're never going to get it back. So before you ever send anything or have somebody send something to you, make sure you or them verify that that address is correct before you send it. This will save you, your friends, your family, everybody, all of their money, and you won't lose it. It's just another precaution and another procedure to be safe, which is exactly what you need to be in this revolution. Because people are going to try to take advantage of you. They're going to try to take advantage of the system. It's the wild, wild west. You are responsible for your money. You are responsible for what you do and what goes on. So, remember to double check, triple check, quadruple check. That was just a short little update, guys. I just wanted to give you guys my thoughts and opinions off of those articles and that video that I watched. Just telling you that, you know what, I do think the market is going to start coming back up. Do I think we're going to go down at least to 6,000 again? Maybe at least 7,000 again a couple times before we do that? Yeah, I think so. I think we're going to need this either up and down movement, you know, in the $6,000 to $8,000 range for a while, or I think we just need to go up at a slant, just, you know, for a while to just create that stability. Those are my thoughts. Those are my opinions, guys. Do not take this as financial advice. Like I said again, wipe the spit off my face. Thank you guys for checking out the channel. Let me know in the comments if you thought this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments what you think I could improve on. You know, I've been in the space for a good amount of time now, but I don't think it's anything anybody should ever say that they know crypto or that they know Bitcoin, alright? That they're an expert or anything like that, because I don't think anybody really is. There's a couple of people who I know, you know, Andreas Antonopoulos, of course. He's an expert. But there's still a lot of things that I'm sure he doesn't know. So, you know, we're all just here to learn. We're here to learn something every single day, especially me. I'm here to learn every single day, all day long. That's kind of what I do. If you have anything you want me to touch base on, if you have any questions, concerns, anything like that, please leave them in the comments. And I'm going to leave you guys with 3 things. Work harder, be brave, keep on smiling. One more thing is, if you're watching this video and you like to watch other videos beyond the crypto community space and crypto news and stuff like that, I upload daily vlogs, cinematic videos, all kinds of different stuff, and this year is going to be a really cool thing with my YouTube channel. I'm making a lot of videos in different playlists, and the vlog from yesterday is actually going up. It's about this newly recorded studio, yeah, so it'd be super fun. It'd be awesome if you guys went and checked it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.